Ho ho ho, not funny.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer.
You've probably heard that Teslas have Easter eggs. In this video, I'll share with you some Easter eggs you can find in your Tesla and their cultural references. Click subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. Let's start with Tesla voice commands, which we can activate using the right scroll wheel using our thumb. So we turn on this. Sentry mode off. So Sentry mode is what Tesla has to protect your car with the 8 cameras when you're not in the car. So we can say Sentry mode on to turn on Sentry mode, but there are 2 other ways. The other way to do it is keep Tesla safe. You can see the Sentry mode is now engaged. You know it's engaged because Sentry mode light is red, it's on. Turn Sentry mode off. It's off again. There is one last voice command to turn on Sentry mode, and this references Rick and Morty. So in one of the episodes, Morty's sister, Summer, is in the vehicle, and Rick wanted to keep her safe as they go on an adventure.
Ship! Keep Summer safe!
Keep Summer safe.
So you can also use this voice command, keep Summer safe. And Sentry mode turns on. Pretty cool, right? There are many more cultural references like this. The next voice command I want to share with you is to open and close your charge port. Open butthole. You see the charge port opens here in the animation. Now we're going to close it. Close butthole. And charge port closes. If you're feeling cold, especially on a rainy day in Singapore, my balls are cold. It turns on the driver's seat heater. And you can turn it off again by pressing this button. Here's a fun one to turn on and off the aircon. Life support off. Everything is off right now. Total silence. And when I turn it back on, life support on. As you can see, aircon's turned back on. One last voice command if you want to turn on Santa mode. Ho ho ho. Your car turns to Santa Claus. And when you use the turn signals, you hear the jingle bells. You make a right turn. And also when you're driving the car, you'll hear some music as well.
Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind.
One thing many Tesla owners love is to name their Tesla. I want to share 2 Easter eggs when it comes to naming a Tesla. So to name a Tesla, you click on the car icon, you click on software, and you see a car's name here. My car name is Tesla to the moon. Clicking on this, you're going to change the name. The first Easter egg I want to show you is when you type and name your car 42. When you do that, the car's name changes to life, the universe, and everything. Now this is a reference to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, a book which also turned into a film.
To calculate the answer to life, the universe, and everything.
This is a philosophy book that actually masquerades as a science fiction book. It's a deep read, it's a pretty thick read. I haven't read this myself yet, so I hope to read this in the next few months. So that's the first Easter egg. It's a Hitchhiker's Guide Easter egg. The second one is from another show. So I click on the name again, and I'm going to change it to Flying Circus. Flying Circus is a series of Monty Python, a British drama show. So when I click save, watch what happens in the screen. This foot, this Cupid's foot with the fart sound is how they actually ended their series intro, as you can see right now. This Easter egg works when you name it Flying Circus or most of its main characters. There's a follow-up to this Easter egg. So if you want to actually watch Monty Python itself, you can go to theater mode. In your car, you click here theater, and there's the Monty Python YouTube channel. Those are the 2 Easter eggs you can use when you name your Tesla. In a nod to the film, this is Spinal that was released in 1984. The climate controls and volume can go up to 11 on your Tesla.
Look, right across the board. 11, 11,
and most of
11,
the
and then
amps go up to 10.
Exactly.
Watch this. fan speed to 11. Now most cars only have it up to 10, so this is way beyond 10. Fan speed to 3. Much more manageable. You saw how crazy loud the fan speed was. Now we're going to try volume. Set volume to 11. It's pretty cool, right? These go to 11. So they have a good sense of humor here. Also, when you look at the equalizer on the touchscreen, the subwoofer, it doesn't just go up to a sensible number. When you pull it all the way up, it goes up to 11 as well. You pull it up again, whoop whoop, up again, slap in. If you haven't watched This is Spinal Tap, I highly recommend it. It's pretty funny.
One louder.
Why don't you just make 10 louder and make 10 be the top number and make that a little louder?
Tesla has a fun feature called Toybox, and I want to talk about two items there in particular. The first one in Toybox is Mars multiplanetary species. Why does a Tesla have a Mars mode? So the connection here is Elon Musk. He runs both Tesla and also SpaceX. And SpaceX's goal is to make humanity a multiplanetary species. So don't be surprised you see more space themes, cameo, and also cultural references here. And here's another one. The second thing on Toybox is Sketchpad. Now, you may think that this is just a simple drawing tool for kids to play with. You can have different colors. Let me get a red. Tesla to the... Let me get a yellow. I want a darker shade of yellow. This is quite therapeutic actually. I haven't drawn and colored in a long time. Okay. Most people stop using a sketchpad here. There's a button here called Publish. When you click Publish, you can actually send this to Tesla. And many years ago, Elon Musk used to actually feature some sketchpads on his Twitter account. I'm going to click Yes, I am an artist. And let's see if Elon publishes this. We'll find out one day on Twitter. If you see Tesla to the Moon published by Elon, let me know. Another Easter egg that we have on a Tesla can only be done when you're on the road. And this is the Psychedelic Cowbell Road. So you turn the right stalk down 4 times to activate it. And you can see the road turns rainbow in a reference to the final level of Mario Kart. We hope you enjoyed those Easter eggs and their cultural references. The good thing in Tesla is that there will likely be more Easter eggs. And Elon Musk is someone who believes in not taking himself too seriously. He makes a lot of jokes on Twitter, as we know. If you know any other Easter eggs, please let us know down in the comments below. If you found this video fun and insightful, please click the like button. Hit subscribe to stay updated to more Tesla Easter eggs.